Sophia. It's so great to be here with you on the show floor. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the future of finance because
Yeah.
wireless connectivity has changed banking from an in-person experience to online. So I'm just kind of curious, what is the next big banking change that you see on the horizon?
Oh, great to be with you. And what a fantastic question. Well, look, I think the next big thing has got to be agentic AI. And that's what we write about actually in our report. Agentic AI in finance and the do it for me economy. It's going to have a material impact on how we access services and how markets are structured. We think it's going to have more of an impact on the economy and finance than the internet did. Yeah. Basically, it's going to turbocharge the do it for me economy. It's going to give all of us our own digital Jarvis, if you like, Iron Man style, and everyone's talking about it. Corporate references on the topic rose by 17 times in 2024. VCs are pumping an awful lot of money into it. The deals in agentic AI and autonomous workers were up 150% between 2023 and 2024, and it's going to power a whole new golden age of startups. These companies with this technology will be able to scale even faster than before, so interesting times.
So I want to dig into that concept just a little bit more. So what does AI hold for the future of finance? Are we talking customer service? Are we talking on the back end of finance? Can you bring that home a little bit more?
Yeah, so I mean, that's a really big question, and I wish we had more time. But the short answer is it is going to revolutionize banking and financial services across the board. So I work for a bank. It's going to revolutionize all parts of the bank, from how we code, how we onboard customers, how we interact with customers, how we deal with fraud and how we monitor fraud, how we conduct market research, risk compliance and controls, all functions. Now, in the short to medium term, I think most of the impact will be on internally facing tasks and making those more productive and making those more efficient, as opposed to lots of new products being rolled out.
Okay. So I would be remiss if I didn't ask about this because we are at a mobile show.
Yeah.
What do you think is the role for telcos in the future of finance? In this AI-driven world, where do they fit into this puzzle?
Yeah, I mean, that is the killer question, right? That's been discussed at Mobile World Congress, certainly before I've been coming here the last 3 years. But look, I do think telcos have a more strategic role to play in the financial services ecosystem. Why? Because they have two really big assets. Number one, they have billions of mobile users globally. Number two, they have the tech infrastructure. So if you marry those two up, you've seen the inroads they've made into mobile money and mobile payments, like with M-Pesa in Africa. There's more to do there, and they can expand on this product offering. They can go into loans, they can go into insurance products, they can go into savings products, so on and so forth. And the second big thing, I think, has to do with digital ID, verification and authentication, where the mobile operators can use the SIM for biometric authentication. Digital ID is really important because it's the backbone of the digital economy.
So I guess my second to last question, I'm going to throw you a curveball at the end. Don't freak out. So I'm just kind of curious, what is one thing you think more people need to be thinking about or talking about when it comes to the future of finance? What do we need to get ready for? What should we have on our minds?
I think what I'd like to see more of, and what we need to have on our minds, is collaboration between the different players, the telcos, the policymakers, the regulators, the big tech companies, the fintechs, the financial services firms, so that together we can create a financial ecosystem that's scalable, that's secure, and that's trustworthy. And I think Mobile World Congress is the perfect place to do that. It's a perfect platform because it convenes everybody all under one roof.
Okay. And last question, because we're in Barcelona, what is your favorite tapas dish?
My favorite tapas dish is actually something I had yesterday, which I ordered twice. I'm ashamed to admit. It was a squid sandwich, a tiny tapas-sized squid sandwich. It was absolutely
Do you know where
mouth-watering.
you had it?
Of course, I remember where I had it.
Where did you have it?
I had it at Barcanete in El Ravel, is the name of the district. Amazing. Highly recommended.
We'll have to try it out. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.